bonafide.
It's bonafide, yes.
Look at how deep this snow is to the right. That's in the road. It's like 7, 8, 9 inches over there. Woohoo! So anyway, guys, this is fantastic, huh? This is great, yeah? This is fantastic, huh? Hey guys, I'm from Saskatchewan, huh? How you doing, huh?
Subscribe now.
Oh, so you like the Canadian, huh? Seriously, I'm a weird SOB, and there's no going around that. But okay. So let me shut this off for a second, guys. So had to do that. I'm sorry about that. Customers, bro. Always complaining about something. No, I'm not. I'm just kidding. I actually never get any complaints. So, but the complaints that frustrate me is when it's the packaging that you have a problem with, and I discounted you the product by more than 50%. Like, so that's like, I don't know. Like, instead of charging someone, okay, I only charged them a total of $100 for 5 of these things. And that would normally cost at $60 a piece, 60, 120, 180, 240, $300. So I saved them $200, but it's the packaging that is an issue. Like, it's just so frustrating. But the customer's always right. Customer's always right, right? Yeah. But, however, then again, that just makes it so I'm just not inclined to discount my stuff like that anymore. You know? So, it is what it is, though. So, anyway, enough complaining out of me. We just went through Dead Man's Curve. And here we go. We're in Bear City. Looks like we got a little break in the storm, guys, so that's good. Yeah, so we can get some nice views, huh? We can get the nice view. Get it a nice view, man. Big Bear City looks so incredibly beautiful right now, guys. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Me drive you long time. What can I get for $10? Anything. Anything? Anything. So snowy. So snowy. So snowy. Me love you long time. Gosh, man, I am a weird guy. But I like to have fun, man. I like to be fun. It's a fun. So have a good time. Have fun. Have a good time, huh? So I'm really interested to see what it's going to look like up here over by Stanfield Cutoff. So what I do is I do a little honk, and then I look around like someone was honking at me, so they don't think that I honked. I'm so funny. I'm a funny guy. So yeah, guys, this is amazing. We got a foot of snow at my house, which leads me to believe that when we go over to Boulder Bay later for a drive, they're going to have more. So it's going to be good because we're not going to hit any traffic over there. Fantabulous, huh? Fantabulous. It's a fantabulous thing, huh? So, I don't know. I hope you guys are stoked with all this snow, because this is a lot of snow. The most snow we've had in, as I said, 2 years. Last season we didn't have anything like this, and obviously I'm the one who would know. I mean, come on, right? I'm the only one that would really know, besides the meteorological society up here and stuff like that, but which there is not actually officially a meteorological society. But there is Ben Prissy or whatever, Ben Priss. That's Ben's Weather. The guy's very, very, very thorough, and I like him a lot. I just get frustrated because the forecasts are wrong so often. But it's not like he's doing anything different than, you know, all the other weather stations talk about, because he's only using the same weather models that everybody else does. There's only two main ones, the Euro and ours. And yeah, that's what pretty much every single one of these major weather stations goes off of, are those two major radars. So yeah. Alright guys, so let's see here. Yeah, I really feel like a dumbass just with no shirt on right now. So I'm not gonna pull up next to anybody because I don't want to look like an idiot. Even though I already do. Just like how I was born, I look like an idiot. But it is what it is, dude. It is what it is, and I'm not gonna cry about it. Oh God, look at this fucking guy, freaking guy. Okay. Dude. Seriously, dude, just a bunch of Barneys, bro. Alright guys, so we gotta go to Snow Summit right now. That's where I'm actually doing a little bit of work right now. I'm meeting somebody over there for a little bit of work, huh? A little bit of work. Just gotta drop something off, huh? Alright. Wow, guys. This is just lovely as can be. Alright. That guy next to us looked like Anthony Weiner. Anybody who screws with young people or looks at stuff of young people and stuff, they deserve to be in jail forever and their heads cut off. But that's just what I'm thinking, huh? All right, so I don't know why this picture on the video is so dark, but it is. I think the phone's overheating, and it seems to do that when the picture gets to that dark point. So anyway, we'll see. We're heading towards Snow Summit right now, folks. It's 23 degrees, 12:58 p.m. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying. I know I'm running the kisser a little much right now, but that's okay. I'm excited. I'm excited about what we got going down up in this mofo. Jeez, I feel like such a total douche. Just dressed like this. But anyway, I gotta shut this off in just a moment when we start heading down Summit. But then I'll turn it back on. I just gotta let the person know I'm pulling up. I need the handle here at Snow Summit. Now we're gonna get loose. Woo! That's a little bit too loose. It's a little bit too fucking loose. Oh shit! But we made it. Dude, we almost went into that ditch. Can you believe it? That's so funny. Even though for a second there I was kind of harried, wondering what was going to happen, my friend. What's going to happen to me? So we're on Summit Boulevard, guys. Yeah, if you guys see me sliding like that and there's no way for me to stop sliding like that, you guys know we got some problems up here. So slamming on my brakes, now let go, slamming on the brakes just to get a feel. God, look at all the snow, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's so spectacular. And you guys are so spectacular. I love you guys so much, dude. My life is so awesome with you guys involved. So this video is going to be awesome, I hope. Oh, I hope it's going to be a little bit long, but it's going to be awesome and fantastic, huh? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Gonna drive through the snow, having you along with me. Just look at all the snow, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is magical, huh? Look at the huge piles, man. Look at the huge piles, guys. This is so absolutely gorgeous. I am so in heaven right now. Oh my gosh, and we were almost literally in heaven a second ago when I couldn't. Like I was trying to get loose, and it just kept on getting looser and looser. Lex Luthor. Guys, this house right here, we just gotta zoom in because like that's like such a, oh my gosh, like that could be a killer thumbnail right there. Anyway, we're not thumbing nails. We're not thumbing any nails. All right, let's see here. do this, huh? Now let's slam on the brakes for a second. All right, there we. All right, that worked out. Now I want to go up here on this straightaway, slam on the brakes again. So we're gonna slam them right now. And again. As long as we stay straight, we're pretty good. Now, if you turn your wheel at all during that, you're gonna be screwed. Oh my gosh, look at all the snow. My house is right on the other side of these trees. Look at all the snow, and just look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so incredibly beautiful. Holy crap, man. Oh my gosh, dude, we are so lucky. Slam the brakes, good, good, good. Also, what that's doing is kind of heating them up a little bit, so I don't get too much ice sticking. Oh my gosh, guys, this is incredible. Look at Moonridge Road. Look at Moonridge Road, guys. Oh, God, it's just orgasmic. All right, guys, so that's it for this drive, but my God, I love you guys so much. This was so much fun. Beautiful, dangerous. Yeah, just spectacular though. I love you guys. Take care. It's February 20th or 21st, 2019, I believe, or the 20. Yeah, it's the 21st. 1:10 p.m. Peace out. Love y'all. Oh wait, watch me drive into my driveway. We're just gonna have to fly through here. Boom! And we did it. Woo! Woohoo! All right, guys. Till next time, huh? Till next time. Look at how deep it is, like 1.5 feet deep here, huh? Oh man, I'm so happy, you guys. Oh yeah. I love this so much. Oh my God, this is so great. Hopefully we don't get stuck right here. And we won't, because this is just a badass little car. All right, so we're gonna back in right here. Hang on. That's not gonna be fun, but we're gonna try our best. Let's do this, folks. Let's do this, and then we're done with this vid. Done with the vid, yep. Oh, oh, oh. Watch out for my motorcycle garage. That wouldn't be cool. All right, so this is gonna be good because other traffic can get by and we're good. All right, guys, peace out, man. Yeah. Love you guys.